If you're a small and new YouTuber, listen carefully. YouTube is no more the same platform just a few years ago. Let me tell you that the trick you use in 2023, 2024, or even 2025, they barely work now. If your videos is getting low views, if your subscribers are not growing, if your watch hours are not increasing, it is not your fault. It's just the new rule of YouTube. But in today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to fix it. I'm going to be telling you the new strategies, the new tricks and hacks that are working right now, and the ones that are not working. So stay with me because this is your roadmap for 2026 growth. So make sure you watch this video to the end, okay? Now let's start by clearing the table. YouTube in 2026 does no longer care about tag stuffing or adding of too many hashtags, putting 50 or too many random tags on your video and hoping that YouTube will notice you. Gone are days whereby we used to add too many tags in our videos and hoping it will go viral, but right now it's all gone. So stop putting too many tags on your video or keywords. It's not going to even help your videos to go viral. If I tell you that this particular video I didn't put any tags on it but it still went viral, you won't believe it. So stop putting too many tags on your videos. What matters is your titles and your thumbnail matters, and your description. The second thing that is not working right now and you need to drop on your video is clickbait titles. This is where your title scream one thing but the video is totally different. Now YouTube can actually dictate that now. So if you have been using clickbait titles on your videos before, you need to stop it right now because YouTube have incorporated a strong system right now that is dictating clickbait titles. Now the third one that is not working right now and you need to drop it so that your channel will grow is uploading 10 videos a day thinking that quantity will beat the quality. No, that doesn't work right now. If you're uploading every single day, you need to stop. Allow your video to breathe. Now another one is reposting TikTok videos over and over again. That is not growth. It is like a traffic trap. If you are still relying on these old tricks and hacks, your channel will stay invisible. Your channel is not going to grow and you will be on YouTube for how many years without growing. And that is not because you are bad at YouTube. It is because the game has changed. The algorithm has changed. So how many of you are still using some of these old tricks? Don't worry, we are about to fix it. And if you have watched to the point of this video, why not give it a thumbs up, because this particular part is going to blow up your channel. Now let's talk about the new rules. I mean the new 2026 YouTube rule. Now YouTube in 2026 are now rewarding creators who understand the system. You need to concentrate more on your click-through rate, which is the CTR. That is how many people click your video after seeing it. Like after YouTube have shown it to people, the impression, that is what you need to look into now. Okay, now that is where you need to put the necessary metadata, the necessary information you need to give to YouTube so that people can be able to click your video after they are seeing it, both the thumbnail, the title and everything. If you want me to make a comprehensive video on how you are going to hook your people to watch on your video, let me know in the comment section. Now the second thing that is working right now and you need to incorporate on your channel is retention. This retention means how long people actually watch your video. You want people to stay, not just to click on your video, but to stay. Anytime you upload video, people will be there to watch your video. So are you retaining them in each of your video to make them to come back? If you are not retaining them, start doing it right now, because this is the roadmap for your growth in this 2026. If your videos are not hookable, people are not going to stay. And for you to retain people, you need to be solving problem. In that way, they are going to be coming. Now, the third thing is session building. This one is very, very big. Yes, and many creators are using it. YouTube likes it when people don't just watch one video, but watch your video and then stay on YouTube watching more of your video, and even your videos, they might even bump into your playlist. Basically, YouTube is saying, if you make my users happy, I will promote your content. That is it. No shortcuts, no spam, no jargon, no fake promise. You need content that can hook people in the first 10 seconds, keep them watching and make them want more on that video. Okay? Now, here is a little secret. Your first 30 seconds is your main video. You need to make it hookable. So for you to be winning your content in this 2026, you need what we call binge-worthy content. Start your video with a stronger hook in the next 15 to 10 minutes. Don't waste time, just like I started in this video. Tell them why they should stay. Make sure you deliver your message fast. YouTube needs fast delivery, and that will make people to stay on your channel. Use storytelling, even if it's tutorial or tips. Just tell a story. Make them to resonate with your content and for them to find it binge worthy. Yes, a little change you can actually make on your channel can actually change everything. Think it like this. YouTube is basically your TV network. If your video make people binge watch, YouTube becomes your biggest promoter, and the way YouTube is going to promote your video this year will be magical. This is the tricks I have been implementing on this very channel, and when you watch my channel you can see a lot of growth. Yes, now look at how people have been watching and staying on my channel. You can see the click-through rate, the impression on the screen. It is so massive. So stop relying on old tricks. Focus on CTR, retention and session building. Make your content binge worthy. Optimize your first 30 seconds of your video. Hook them hard. Trust me, if you do this consistently, you are no longer playing the old game. You are playing 2026 YouTube game, and YouTube actually rewards that. If you are serious about growing on YouTube in 2026, start applying this today. No more guesswork, no more wasted months. And hey, if you want more growth strategy like this, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next roadmap for small creators. And if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Dara, and on this channel I help both small and new YouTubers grow and monetize on this YouTube. So thank you for watching to the point of this video, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.